Alright, so it's day 2 of our road trip, and today we are going to spend the day in Margaret River, starting off with Hamline Bay, where we're going to go and see some stingrays on the beach, which is pretty cool. And then after that we've got some foodie places. Should be fun. Excited, kids?
Yeah!
Smile. The roads are really pretty, they're full with lots of lovely trees. We're here at Hamline Bay. I don't think you're going to see any stingrays. We found stingray! Finished up at Hamline Bay. It was amazing. We saw dolphins, which was unexpected and amazing, but they left before we managed to film anything, and stingrays, and we really didn't think we'd see the stingrays. There must have been a storm and there was tons of seaweed up on the beach, but they were there and they were hanging out around the fishermen. They were really close, you probably could touch them.
Alright, just arrived at Vasse Virgin.
Like Vasse Virgin?
Yeah.
What was your favourite thing about that one?
The honey and the soap. Honey candy. Honey. I like the lip balm. All of them.
Next stop, Fudge Factory, a.k.a.
Yeah. She loves fudge.
We got chocolate hazelnut, peanut butter, vanilla, chocolate mint, honey macadamia, Irish cream, chocolate orange, passion fruit.
So we're making a surprise stop at the Margaret River Dairy Company, which we just saw on the side of the road. They just did that in February. We're at the Margaret River Chocolate Company, which has chocolate samples, and they're seriously the best chocolate ever. Alright, so we're all finished up at the Margaret River Chocolate Company. I didn't know that they had a little wood play area at the back, which the kids all had fun in. But now we're off to the Injidup Natural Spa. Apparently it might be a bit hard for the children to get to, so we're not 100% sure we'll be able to get there, but we're going to give it a go.
Hey, with Kiara, but guess what? Chicken butt.
Hey, guess
What?
what? Daddy, guess what?
What?
Chicken butt. Cow butt.
Whoa, that's a cool rock! Alright, so we just finished up at the spa. We had a little bit of trouble finding it. So when you drive into the car park, there's this big mountain thing, and we thought that maybe it was to the right of that, but then somebody came and they were looking for it as well, and then they actually pointed out that it was like a round to the left and down. But yeah, when we came, there ended up being lots of people coming at the same time, so we ended up just following everyone else going down.
No dogs and cats. Sorry, Kiara, you can't come. What are you, cat? You're a cat. Meow meow. Meow meow. Hey, 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 no cats.
So we just finished at Canal Rock Bridge.
There was 2 fishes and 2 crabs.
What was your favourite thing today?
Fish.
Fish? Seeing the fish?
And my soup and my chicken and everything.
The rock looks like a frog. 2 eyes and its mouth just there.
Ready? She's not gonna know what's gonna happen. We're gonna give her a scare. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, she's angry. She's angry. Oh no! The giant Kiara is coming to get us! No! Oh yeah? Well, I can play your game too, Kiara.
Uh-oh.
That's scary. I forgot that dad cock fly.
1 minute.
Everywhere.
Where's the ducks? How many ducks we got today?
1, 2, 3.
Wow, so many ducks.
4, 5, 6. Hi guys, I'm Kiara. Today I'm getting surrounded by my baby.
Summer, are you locking your sister outside? Yeah. Are you the baddie, Kiara? And Summy's the goodie trying to catch you, kick you out. Oh, she wants you back.
Hi guys, I'm Kiara and I'm getting change for you. Hey. She knows how to open it, Kiara.
Oh no! Oh no! Up you get. Ah! You keep letting her in. Oh, not again. Alright, so it's the end of day 2 of our road trip. We did lots of fun things. What was your favourite, Kiara?
Everything, even those fishy, those nip, not those yucky crabs.
My favourite was seeing stingrays and, of course, the chocolate factory. Where Kiara ate a million pieces of chocolate, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah, it was yummy.
Oh, cool.
That's probably our favourite chocolate. Yes, and we got fudge, and we had them all for dessert. We tried little bits of them all. What was your favourite fudge?
What's it called? Fruit.
Passion fruit?
Yeah, passion fruit.
Yeah.
Nom.
That was the one that Kiara picked.
Nom, 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 nom,
But that's it for us today. And tomorrow we're not sure what we're going to be doing, but we're going to be heading back to Perth, and we'll probably maybe go to the GT, but we're not sure. Not sure yet, but we'll find something fun to do. That's it for us today.
Stay
So
forever.
until tomorrow. Bye.